So today I'll be replacing the charging port of this Bluetooth speaker. So I think this fix can work for any kind of Bluetooth speaker out there. So first of all, I'm going to take out the screws, and for this I think I have about 4 sets of screws, and I'm going to take it out now. So, and I will get to the logic board. I think there's about 2 screws holding the logic board down. I'm going to take out the screws too, because the charging port is actually on the logic board. So I'm going to gently remove the logic board and detach the cables. So, and I'll just gently place the charging port on it. You can see that I've placed the charging port on the logic board, and make sure while placing it, make sure it is aligned. We have about 5 legs on the charging port and 5 legs on the board, so make sure that each aligns to each other, so that when you solder it together, both there will be connection between the legs so that it works. If there's no connection, it's not going to work at all. So I'm going to, after aligning all the legs together, I'm going to solder it now. And then, so there you go, I've soldered it and I'm going to test it now. So I plug a charger to it, and I want to read with my meter, I want to read the voltage. Let's see if it brings out any voltage. Okay, yeah, I think we did a good job, and then you can see it's reading 5 volts, which means the work I did is good. So I'm going to couple it back. You can see I've connected the battery to it, and the speaker, you can see, is charging normally. So I'm going to gently detach them all, and then place the logic board back the way it was inside the box. So in all those, and be careful with the wire arrangement. The battery, just mark out where the cable connecting the battery is, and then the cable that is connecting the speaker is, so that you don't miss them. And I'm going to screw them back. And this fix can work for most of the Bluetooth speakers out there. So your own Bluetooth speaker might not look exactly like this, but this fix can work for pretty much any Bluetooth speaker out there. So I'm going to screw them back. So the screws is all done, and I'm going to test it now. You can see. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you.